Welcome back. Now, one of the things that you can do very easily within 11 Labs is to create a script for a video. And typically, you can take a text that you're going to use in order to create a video with text, and you can create a specific audio. It's possible that you may have a script that you want to have created into a video. You're going to drop that video into 11 Labs. You're then going to choose a specific voice. In this case, we're going to choose a voice.
In the ever-evolving landscape of life and business, success often hinges on our ability to adapt and grow. But change, whether personal or professional, is...
And then when we have an audio file here in this area, we will then be ready to use that audio file. Now what we can do is we can download the audio at this point. However, it's a good idea to listen to the audio in real time and then to determine if there are changes you want to make to the audio. We will undertake that in the next video. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in the next video.